Hey, what's up guys, we are back another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get 4G like on 5G on Vodafone. So you can see I am trying to connect and Vodafone does not open data connection and it's showing only 2G some devices. So how you can activate 4G on Vodafone? Like you can see this is not working, like data connection has been on but it's not any sign, no data connection. So first you need to connect any network, try it's working well and good but it's not working. So I'll guide you how you can get activated. So first I am showing you it's connected with 4G but no data connection. You can see guys, I already guide, sorry for noise, I am making video in open, so there is very noise. So my English is not good but I am trying to explain you. So I am just connecting, it's not connecting with any network. Just you need to make a 4G some process, just I am trying, it's not like you can connect with any network and there is no signal, then I'll guide you how you can do it. So I just doing some process, maybe it's work, I just show you, I know that how it will be work, but I just show you. You can see this is not working with any network. So it's not working still. So I'm just trying to still connect but it's not working. Okay, come back. You can see this is not working. Connect to any Wi-Fi. I am just connecting Wi-Fi. Okay, and then you can see go to setting and click on Wi-Fi calling. Turn on Wi-Fi calling. You will see Wi-Fi calling icon on signal bar. I just waiting for him, like it will be gate. Okay, now you can see the Wi-Fi calling icon on signal bar. You can see it's showing. Now I can show you. There is no signal, but it's getting like Wi-Fi calling option. Just go to the setting and you can see this message is receiving. It means SIM is working with Wi-Fi calling. So now you need to just go to the setting and so you need to just connect Wi-Fi, then you can need to call I just tell you number. You can just dial a number and call him for 10 seconds, not a more, just a 10 seconds. You can dial 0 double three double three double four double two, sorry, 78. Okay, you can dial and wait for few seconds. I just dialing. You can see bottom side is option is Wi-Fi calling, this call via Wi-Fi. So just we are waiting for few seconds. I just waiting for few seconds. Then I'll show you. Okay. Now I just because it's insufficient, but I just show you. Yeah, now you need to just drop the call and turn on flight mode. I'm just run on flight mode. Just you can see it will be appear network 4G and you can use 4G 5G also.